Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Before we get into the video, why don't you take a moment, if you are a dividend growth investor and interested in dividend stocks, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button. Join me on this journey to financial freedom on this channel. That's what we cover: dividend growth stocks, dividend investing, my dividend growth portfolio for Sunday updates. Go ahead and tune back in for those. Today we're going to look at another dividend growth stock, HP. It is December 15th, and let's jump right into the video. So I don't know about your portfolio, but mine was a lot of red today. And to be honest with you, I'm smiling ear to ear right now because I like to see the red. I like to see those stocks coming down in price, getting more fairly or below valued. It makes my money go further. My dividend yield is higher. I can buy more shares of the stocks I'm going to buy anyway at cheaper prices, and my future returns are greater as well. So I don't mind the red days like today. It is actually whenever I do a bit of shopping, and I did just that. Again, tune into my video on Sunday for a portfolio update where you can see what I did in my portfolio this week, what I picked up. If I sell anything, I cover that as well. So it's all out in the open. It's free to see what I'm doing here. Just hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. But back to HP. If you want to know more about the company, check them out at www.hp.com. We are a technology company born of the belief that companies should do more than just make a profit. They should make the world a better place. Our efforts in climate action, human rights, and digital equity prove that we are doing everything in our power to make it so. With over 80 years of actions that prove our intentions, we have the confidence to envision a world where innovation drives extraordinary contributions to humanity, and our technology, a product and service portfolio of personal systems, printers, and 3D printing solutions was created to inspire this meaningful progress. We know the thought ideas come from anyone, anywhere, at any time, and all it takes is one to change the world. So they are a technology company, primarily around the printing space, but they are getting into 3D printing. My daughter has a 3D printer, so I know that's kind of the wave of the future. I know some parts manufacturers are looking at doing 3D printing their own parts in-house. So I think this has a very bright future, even though it's not maybe something that's going on everywhere currently. They also provide laptops. I know that they do some other technology services as well. So again, HP. And again, we are talking about HP Inc., ticker HPQ, out of the information technology sector. And the reason we are taking a look at them, they were down significantly today, 5.29%. So a very large drop. Closed out the day at $26.86. 52-week range as low as $24.08, as high as $41.47. So definitely creeping closer to that 52-week low. Average volume of 8.7 million. Today was 8.6. A lot of selling. You can clearly see that sell off throughout most of the day. Looks like they had a little bit of a rebound there close to the end of the day, but then right back down they went. A market cap of 26.38 billion, a beta of 1.02, so just a little more volatile than the overall market. PE ratio extremely low, 8.81%. They have an earnings per share of $3.05. Earnings date February 27th through March 3rd. That'll be their next one, somewhere in between there. Forward dividend is $1.05 paid out in the year. They are a quarterly payer. We will see that here, what the breakdown is per share here in a minute. They have a dividend yield of 3.62%, so very nice dividend yield here. Ex-dividend date was December 13th, just past that, so if you bought them now, you would not get the next dividend. And Yahoo Finance does not have an estimate for their target price estimate for over the next year, which is, man, usually they always have a target price. But let's check out, and that's where I pulled this information, not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information from Yahoo Finance here. But let's jump over to stockanalysis.com, another site, and see what they have to say. They have 25 stock analysts who have taken a look at this. They call it a consensus hold, right? So they're saying if you own it, don't buy any more. And they probably, the reason they're saying that is they have a low estimate of $24.24. So this would be very close to what we saw on the previous slide for their 52-week low. So it looks like they expect it maybe to go back down. That would be a 9.69% decline from where it currently sits. Their average price is $29.95, which would be an 11.59% increase. And if it happened to hit their high, $38.85, that would be a 44.75% increase. All the while, you could collect that 3.6 or roughly 3.6% dividend yield. I'm a buyer. I will say I picked up more today. Again, check out the video Sunday and you'll see exactly how many shares and what I paid for them. But I'm a buyer at, 28, 27, 26. If it goes back down to 24, I'll pick up more. I like HP. This is also one that Warren Buffett picked up earlier in the year. And I think he was pretty close to this average cost basis right here, right now. It might have been 25 or something, somewhere in there. You'd have to look that up for yourself. But I believe in this company long term. I think it's presenting fair value now, and if it, like I said, went back down to 24s, it would be below value a little bit in my opinion, and I would continue adding to my position. And here is my position. I have 117.709 shares. They're getting ready to pay out a dividend here. Payout date will be January 4th, like we saw earlier. The ex-dividend date was December 13th. They are a quarterly payer. And they just raised their dividends from 25 cents up to 26 and some fractions of a penny here. I always laugh whenever I see that because it's hard to quantify. That would be about a penny, 0.0025, 4 times a year quarterly paid out. That would be about an extra penny there, right? So they do have a very nice payout ratio, low payout ratio, 32.40. So plenty of upside to continue to raise that dividend and very nice dividend growth. This is really what makes them so attractive. They have a nice dividend yield at 3.6%, but also very high dividend growth at over 20%. So that is what I really like about them. It mixes that nice current dividend yield with very nice future growth. And again, 117.709 shares. I am down 2.61%. I have my cost basis is $27.67, so a little bit higher than where it currently sits. And I've lost $95.79 on this. I've got 3,257 into it. Currently worth 3,161. So I'm a long-term buyer of this, and like I said, if it continues to go down all the way to 24, I'll continue to buy it as it goes down. Continue to decrease this cost basis, increase my yield and my future potential returns. Well, that is it. These are quick hitters. I am trying to find you some value in the market. Anytime I see a stock that's down 4, 5, 6, 7%, I'm going to take a look at it, do a quick review with you out there, maybe one to throw on your watch list or add to your portfolio if it's not already there. Again, not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell any stocks, just showing you what I'm doing and giving you my opinion. And in my opinion, HPQ is a buy. Again, I picked up more today. I'm in agreement with Warren Buffett. I feel like it's a great long-term play, but I'll leave that up to you to make that decision for yourself. As always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. Hopefully you are on your own journey as well. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of HPQ. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're having a great week, and we will see you in the next one. This will be the last stock pick of the day video for the week. But again, don't forget to join in for the portfolio update on Sunday. We'll see you in that one. Take care. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.